Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Rosewill mechanical keyboard model RK-9000BRI. The BR stands for Cherry MX Brown switches, and the I stands for Ivory for this special limited edition. And this also comes in the Cherry MX Blue version. Couple of things to note before getting into the box. You do get the Cherry MX Brown switches, which give a more light, tactile, soft bump kind of feel. And you also get simultaneous 104 key press with your PS2 connector, but you only get 6 key simultaneous presses using your USB connector, and 50 million clicks life cycle. Now you also get laser printing on each keycap, which just means it's very durable. Here's everything that comes in the box. We have the keyboard itself, which I will go over in just a little bit, but first the accessories. We have some technical specifications. Let me just open this. Oops, sorry, wrong side. Here you go. And over here we have your gold-plated PS2 connector and your gold-plated USB connector. Here's a look at the keyboard. This is once again the Ivory edition with black keys, and the number, caps, and scroll locks do light up blue. This is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a number pad, and I believe that's it for that. Let's flip it around to the back. We have some rubberized feet to keep your keyboard in place, and some feet to angle your keyboard depending on your preferences. And one last thing, keycap removal tool, which is not included by the way. I will remove a key to show you the Cherry MX Brown switch that is beneath it. And one last thing is the sound test. So just give me a moment to replace this key. Alright, here we go. That wraps up our overview on this Rosewill mechanical keyboard model RK-9000BRI. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.